In a world where unseen threats lurk behind every click, cyber attacks are no longer just a threat. They have become a relentless nightmare for individuals and organizations alike. But every attack meets its match with a skilled defender.
ICTAK's Certified Cyber Security Analyst Program opens the gateway to this high-stakes world, where you become the shield that guards the digital frontier. Step into the world of cybersecurity. Train with the best. Become the defender the digital world needs.
The digital world is changing very fast. In today's world, the success doesn't mean to the knowledge alone. It requires gaining knowledge about the practical real-world problems. We enable our learners with the online resources, the hands-on support on various digital technologies, and the life skills required for every individual to succeed in their professional journey.
It all begins with a strong foundation, a module designed to equip you with essential knowledge of networks and operating systems. This is where you build the skills to dive deeper into the cyber world. Next, we enter the realm of network security, where you will master techniques like reconnaissance, port scanning, brute forcing, vulnerability scanning, and exploitation. Learn to detect, exploit, and defend against potential threats with powerful tools used by professionals worldwide like Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, Burp Suite, and Nessus.
You will explore Wi-Fi attacks, learning not just how they happen, but how to audit and defend against them. Next comes web application security, where you will uncover the inner workings of web applications and master defense strategies against vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and access control flows. You will dive into OSINT techniques and master the art of social engineering, the invisible battlefield of the digital age. Finally, you will gain insights into modern security architectures, mastering SOC frameworks, incident response strategies, XDR systems, and more.
The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is growing at an unprecedented pace. From SOC analysts safeguarding organizational networks to penetration testers exposing system weaknesses, from cybersecurity auditors ensuring compliance to incident responders neutralizing real-time threats.
And from threat hunters to security engineers and compliance specialists, the need for defenders in the digital world has never been greater.
Our internships and industry-ready programs is not just enabling you with the skills, but enabling you with the real-world problems, offering master classes from the industry experts and building solutions that is meeting offering master classes from the industry. We offer financial assistance through scholarships and through our banking partners. In ICTAK, we offer financial assistance through scholarships to achieve, grab your dream job. Your successful journey for your dream job starts here.